In this video, you learn about AIPRM for Teams. Use this tool to share a library of prompts with other members in the same group. I'll show you how to create a team and invite users to the team, and then create a team list, which is a great way to streamline collaboration. To create a team, log into your AIPRM account and go to Teams and click Add a Team. Name the team and give it a description. Click the Add User button and select User Permissions. Click the Create Invite Link button and copy the link. If you want, go to the Invites box, locate a user role, and click the three-dot icon. Click the Copy Invite Link button and share the link. Distribute the link to people you want on the team. You can use email, Slack, and just about any other channel. Now create a team list, go back to the AIPRM dashboard, and click the Add List button. Create a new list. Enter a list name, and check the Share with Team box. Select your team on the drop-down, create a new list. Find your team list on the dashboard. This icon indicates the list is shared with your team. To add a prompt to the team list, click the list icon and select a list on the drop-down. That's it. Now you know how to harness the power of AIPRM Teams.